Hello guys, welcome to the new video guys. In this video I will be teaching you guys how to place orders in the XM broker. Okay, so first thing is there are two types of order. One is pending order and another is market order. There are only two types of orders. So the first one is a pending order, the second one is the market order. Yeah. So first one is pending order and another is market order. So let's imagine that. So right now I am in, if you can see the screen, see here it is showing 1 hour. So basically the chart is of 1 hour time frame. Okay. So let's imagine, so right now what is the time? So right now I'm recording the video. So the time is 1:24 a.m. means it's night, it's midnight, it's 1:24 a.m. So let's check the candles. Okay, so this candle started at 12:30. 12:30 means this candle gets over by 1:30. So this candle was 23:30 means it was around 11:30 candle, it closed at 12:30. This is a 12:30 candle, gets closes at 1:30. So it will 1:30 means it's 1:25 still. In 5 minutes this candle will get over. Okay, so basically we are in 1 hour time frame. So let's say this is a current candle. Means current candle means it's a running candle. Means it's not closed yet. See, can you see the price is going up and down in this candle? Can you see here? See 63,396. Just watch that. See 63,390 price is coming down, going up. Means this is a running candle. It's not closed yet. So we call this as a current candle or a present candle or a running candle. It's not closed yet. So then this one, it's a 12th, it's a 11:30 candle. 11:30 candle, this is a closed candle. So basically 11:30 to 12:30 is this candle. 12:30 this candle has formed. Now at 1:30 it will closes. So in 5 minutes it's going to be 1:30 and this will close, this candle will close in 5 minutes. Fine. Now let's assume that I want to place some trade. This is a current candle. This is a previous candle. So previous candle high. So we'll look at the high. So if you just look at this previous candle high, you just look at somewhere here. I want you to look at the price here. So let me place the cursor on the previous candle high. So if you see the price in the right side, it's showing 63,514 is the previous candle high. Current price is this. Current price 63,392 is the right now it is going on. Previous candle high is the 63,516 something. So let's say I want to buy over there. So what I'll do is, so let's say I go here. So I want to buy, right? First thing is what I do is, so see, if you open the chart, it looks like this. Say there is a, can you see the cursor here? There is a sell button and buy button. So let's say previous candle high out to buy. So what I do is I take my cursor to the previous day high, previous candle high. So it is showing somewhere 63,514. So you take the cursor to the 63,514 somewhere. 63 here, previous candle high is this one, 63,514, right? And if you closely observe, there is a plus symbol here, right? If you click 63, imagine 63,516, fine. Click on that plus symbol. Now you have to, whichever, what do you want to do? Now I want to buy above the previous candle high. Click on buy, right? Now see, I previous candle high is somewhere it's somewhere here, 63,516, right? The same number has been selected here. So if I just click first, if you click on the plus sign, if you click on the plus sign, you have to select buy. So it buy will come and this price is already been selected and you have to select the quantity. I have selected 0.01. Then if I click on sell, see, this is already been placed here. Fine. So right now this order is called pending order, means this order is not executed yet. So the moment this price crosses this, it will get executed. Fine. I hope everybody understood this. And wherever you want to place the stop loss, well, let me just do this one more time. So wait, let me show it again. So previous candle high, click, see there is a plus sign. Look at this, see wherever there is a cursor, see here there is no plus sign. You come to the corner. So previous, see this is the previous candle, right? I just go here, previous candle high, click on that, select buy, see this came. Click on the buy, see exactly it came here, right? Now stop loss and target. So the here SL is here. Now you have to drag the stop loss wherever is your stop loss. Let's assume somewhere here. Put take profit somewhere wherever you want to keep. You can keep. Okay. So whenever price hits this, whenever price crosses this our previous candle high, our trade will get executed. So right now it's a pending order. It means the order is not executed yet. Okay, so this is a pending order. Now I'll explain you what is market order. Market order is basically, let me go to 5 minutes time frame. In 5 minutes time frame, so this is the, so let's imagine this is a 5 minute. Let me go to 1 minute time frame. See, 1 minute time frame, right? So this is the 1 minute time frame. What do I do is now I want to buy. So now this is the current candle. Now time is 129. So this is a 129 candle. This gets over by 130. So now what I'll do is now I want to buy above this previous candle. Okay. Now what I do, if now what happens is the movement is happening very fast. So now what I'll do, I will not put pending orders. What I'll do is instead, see here, see if the pre, so this is the current candle, say watch me here, if this goes above this, I will directly buy. See, the movements are happening very fast, I will not get time to place the order. So in this case what I do, I will directly click buy here. So whatever the current mark, see right now current market price is 63,416, right? If I see, did you see, I wanted to buy here, the price went so fast I did not get time. So I clicked on the buy immediately. Now the buying trade has been activated already. See, the buying trade has been already activated. Okay. So after order gets activated, now I'll manually put wherever I want to keep stop loss, I'll keep it. Wherever I want to place profit, I will place the profit. Okay. So now why I didn't use pending order here? See, pending orders I did not use here because see the movements are happening fast, you will not get time to go here, select the buy, come here, place again, you will not have time, right? See, now I place the market order. After placing the order, you can manually select the stop loss and same target, the same thing you are going to do that. Fine, I hope you guys understood this. Market order is generally used whenever you want to place order at that point. For suppose I'm sitting here, uh, whenever you want to place, suppose right now I don't want to put pending order, I am in front of the system, so I can directly place market order. Or pending order is generally used, let's say that if I want to, see if I want to place order at 63, let's imagine 63 650 here cursor. Okay, see now there is a lot of time, see price, for price to reach till here there is a lot of time, so I can take time, press this buy symbol, buy, I can click buy, then I can, if then see it means I've given order for the system. If price goes and touches this 63 a682, you execute my buy order, keep the stop loss somewhere here and keep the target somewhere here. See, I'm giving conditions like this. Okay, because if for price to reach 63 682 there is a lot of time, right? But when you're in the smaller time frame like 1 minute, movements happens very fast. So that time what do, you directly click, see you directly click, see for example if you just watch this, let me do this. Now can you see here, can you see buy and sell, the two things are there, you click buy. So here the price is at the current market price, whatever the price is going on in the current market, it is showing. You just click buy or sell, automatically your trade will be, buy and sell will be placed, and accordingly you can place the stop loss and target. I hope you guys understood this, right? Super guys, I hope you guys understood how to place market order and pending order, and hope you guys understood how to place the orders now. So that's it, see you guys in the next video, take care, bye bye.